area somewhere and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and hit the like button if you like today's video. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to be doing my go-to makeup look. I have so many go-to makeup looks, this is just one of them. So yeah, let's get started. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with priming my face. Now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. I'm just going to get a little bit of that on my fingers, kind of work it in between my hands, and then we're going to apply it all over the face. What I like to do right after I apply this is I just let it kind of soak in just a little bit before we apply all of my face products. Okay, so now that the primer serum is all soaked in, I'm going to take my foundation. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Hydrating Foundation in L1. I'm going to squirt some of that on the back of my hand, and then use my fingers to apply the foundation. Okay, now that I have all of the majority of the foundation on, I'm going to take my beauty blender and what's left from the back of my hand, and then just gently press that in to the skin. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm just going to put it underneath the eyes, on the nose, on the sides of the nose, and then any blemishes. That's good. Okay, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender just to blend it on. Set the concealer with my Catrice HD Baking and Setting Boost Powder and my Sonia Kashuk Small Fluffy Brush. Just set the concealer. So now I'm going to set the rest of my face using the same setting powder at my Morphe Big Fluffy Brush. And I'm going to press this into the skin rather than swiping. For blush, I'm going to use my Elegant Glow palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk blush brush. And then tap off the excess. And start with the apple, and then kind of work it up. Okay, to soften up the blush a little bit, I'm just going to use my fingers first in circular motions just to kind of soften it up, and then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Fluffy Brush. So for all of my go-to looks, they're very simple and very light. So we're going to use this one today. I should have helped today. This is the Maybelline The City Mini Palette. Like I said, I like to go very light, and sometimes I do use my bronzer, but I didn't bring that with me today. I don't have it with me today, so we're going to use something else. So first, I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to put that in the crease. And then I'm going to take this shade in the palette. I'm just going to put that right on the lid. Now that I have my eyeliner done, I'm going to straight into mascara. First, I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. So when it comes to lip gloss for my go-to makeup looks, I kind of want to use a shade that is really close to my natural lip color. So for today's lipstick or lip gloss, we're going to use Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Child Star. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow.